Imagine this. February 1959, 9 experienced hikers pitched their tent on a frozen mountain slope in Russia called Dyatlov Pass. They're laughing, taking photos, everything normal. But in the dead of night, something terrifies them so much they slash their tent open from the inside and run into 30-degree C blizzard. Barefoot or in socks, no coats. Weeks later, searchers find the tent empty, footprints leading away, but no return tracks. Bodies scattered, some frozen, others with crushed skulls and missing eyes, one without a tongue. Clothes radioactive, no signs of attack. Soviet officials closed the case fast. Unknown compelling force. Avalanche, military test, something worse? 65 years later, still unsolved. What scared them to death? Comment your theory. Mind blown? Subscribe for more real mysteries.